How to initialize a two-dimensional array? First of all, just like your 1D only. Int, for example, I want to deal with the integers. Int arr, array name, and two square brackets you have to write. One for rows and another for columns. Yesterday I was saying about those matrices, matrices types of applications.
Yeah.
Rows and columns will be there, na? The first one is for row and the second one is for column. Okay, fine.
Okay.
Is equal to, just open curly brace, flower brace like that, and inside that one more like this. I want to go with 3 rows and 4 columns. 3 is row size and column size is 4. Let me check with the elements. 1, 9, 0, 4 columns. 4 is the last element which I want to take. And each and every element should be separated with a comma. And again, once the first row is over, put a comma. You can type there also, but for readability purpose, I am doing like this. Just for your readability. If you can read easily if I write like this. 7, 1, 5. So this is the second row. This is the second row. And then one more row. 3 rows, na? 3 rows and 4 columns I want to go with. This is the last row. I think you know these rows and columns, these things. A little bit about. Row means horizontal. Column means vertical.
Right. Yes.
This is the last row, third row. 3 rows, 4 columns. Can you find in this writing? See, this is first row. First row elements are 1904. Second row elements are 0715. And the last row elements are 4901. Similarly, first column elements are 104. Second column elements are 979 and then 010 and then 451. So one more closing brace and a semicolon at the end. That's the way to initialize a double dimensional array. And similarly, if you want to deal with the float, if you want to deal with floating value. So how to deal with the floating, I will explain. See, float, little difference is there. Not much, very little. Same I can write, but with one change. Let me change one thing here. Copy and paste this. Yes. 1.8 F. F you have to mention. F. That is the only difference. Because we are having one more data type for decimal. You know, decimal. I mean double. There is one more data type for decimal, that is double is there. To distinguish float with a double, I mean James Gosling might have gone with this feature like adding F at the end of decimal. Okay, fine. Now 9.74 F. That is the only difference. Wherever you get a decimal value, please remember to add F at the end. 4.45 F. That's it. That is the only difference. 0.01 F. And then 7.93 F, like that. 1.7 F. And then 5.55 F, like that. That is the only difference. If we are going to forget this, you are not going to get correct answer for that. So you should make a mention of F also. Like this. This is the only adjustment which you have to make. Okay. So other than that, similar, same to same, int or float, whatever it may be. Now let us talk about the memory allocation. How memory is allocated. Let us see that. So let me draw the diagram. For our readability, I will draw this diagram. But in computer memory, it is different again. So 4 rows and 3 columns. Of course, if I take, for example, this one I want to go only with 3 rows and 3 columns. So this is the way, 3 rows and 3 columns. That's it. Here also one more I am deleting. To let you read easily, I am taking 3 by 3 matrix. 3 by 3. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So this is 3 by 3 matrix now.
Right.
So in the just for our readability, it looks like this: 1, and then 9, and then 0, and then 0 again, 7, 1, 4, 9, and 0. So one thing is
Right.
important, that is memory locations are important. To solve some applications, memory locations is the key factor here. So let me write like this. What I have gone here, this one. Cut. Paste it here. Okay, fine. Now see, for readability, what I am doing is, this is column number 1. Let me see 0. No problem.
Okay.
It is up to us.
Yes.
I'm going to make a mention of C0. I'm starting from C0. This is going to be C1.
Yes.
This is C1. Okay, fine. The last one is going to be C2, column 2.
C2.
Fine. Similarly, if I start from here,
R1, R0.
yeah, exactly. R0. I have to start from R0 here. R0. This is, I will make this bigger, otherwise we cannot accommodate all these things. The first one is R0. You have studied in that notes. I think I have designed properly in that. I have taken some time and designed that.
Yeah.
R1, and now the other one is R2. Okay,
2.
this is how it is
Yes.
organized. And you know the positions 0 by 0. 0 by 0 is the first one, and then 0 by 1. Based on these indices, you can understand. 0 by 1 is the
Right.
next one, and then 0 by 2, you know,
2.
0 by 2, we call it as, that is the position of that. And 1 by 0 again, you see row is 1, column is 0 now. 1 by
Yes.
0, and then 1 by 1, 1 by 1, fine, and then 1 by 2, 1 by 2, and then again starts from 2 by 0, 2 by 0, and then 2 by 1, 2 by 1, fine, and then 2 by 2, 2 by 2. This is how memory is allocated. According to our
Okay.
knowledge, it will be like that, but in computers memory, it is not like that. It is again going to be sequential only. So how many
Hello.
elements are there in
Okay.
3? Yeah, in 3 by 3 matrix, how many elements are there?
9.
Because 3 into 3. In 4 by 3 matrix, 12 elements will be there, isn't it?
Right.
4 into 3,
Yes.
simple logic. So now let us
Okay.
go for 9 memory slots here. 9. I think it is 9. So here I have drawn my cursor here. Go with 9 memory slots: 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I hope it is 9. Really. Go with elements 1 followed with 9 and 0, and then 0. First row is over, second row again.
Right.
Because
7,
yesterday I
1.
told one key point, yesterday I told you, I discussed with you, that is elements will be stored in sequential order. In sequential
Order.
order
Yes.
only. Last one is not there. We can delete this.
No, we have allocated 0, 7 in one slot.
Oh, wait, 190. I went wrong at one position. Yeah, exactly. After 0, it is 7. Na?
7. Yeah.
Here comes 7. Yes, right. And then 1. Here it is 1. And then 4.
490.
90. Yeah. 0. Yes. Yes. So as far as computer memory, computer in the sense JVM, JVM's memory is in your notes also. I have clearly mentioned JVM's inside JVM. The memory will be allocated continuously. Contiguous
Right.
memory allocation will be done. Contiguous, contiguous, contiguous memory location will be created like this. Memory location means continuous, sequential, otherwise sequential. Okay, it is done like that.
Okay.
So memory slots will be like that. So what JVM does, here it will track, it will maintain the address of the first memory slot. Based on that, it will be having some formulas and it will evaluate the remaining addresses also. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So first address is enough because it is sequential. It can manage. It will be applying some formula and finding the addresses of the remaining slots as well. Now, another important thing is this one yesterday itself I told, but another important point is there how to declare a double dimension array. Just like your 1D only, you can declare. Yesterday, I have given one example for one dimensional array, like int AR. Like this, I have given is equal to new int some size I mentioned. But here the only difference is one more dimension will be added. That's all. Nothing more than that. Nothing more than that.
New int.
Yeah. And inside that, number of rows. Second one, number of columns. That's it. Done. This is how that is how a double dimensional array is declared. Declaration. That is a declaration. Okay. So we will do some applications on double dimension array now.
Sure.
Yes. You can see now?
Yes, I can.
Let me create one project. Array is the name of that. Finish. Now in that, let me go with a class. Class name is array 2D. Array 2D is the name of the class which I'm going. Array 2D is the name of the class and the main method is also included. Maybe today I will go with a small application and I ask you to write a big application. Maybe.
Yeah.
Based on previous concepts. Okay, fine. So how to initialize the program is how do you initialize a multi-dimensional, 3 by 3 matrix, and how do you display the elements like a matrix notation. Okay. So for that, see, int, I want to go with integers. Int AR is the name of the matrix. And you can go like this. The elements you can write. 3 by 3 I want to go so that you can easily understand that. Comma. You can write sequentially, but I am going like this to make you readable easily. Here. What is going there? If I am typing here, it is going there. 1639, 0, 7, and that is also over. Now one more, that is starts from 7, 4, 2. Okay, fine. This is okay now? Just now, whatever I have told, I have mentioned here. Now, how to display the same matrix on the screen? I want output like 163907742 in a matrix notation. See, for loop. For loop is required now?
Yes.
For loop is required. And the for loop consists of 3 expressions. First expression is variable initialization. Int. Generally, it is a 2-dimensional array. That's why 2 for loops will come. Generally, majority cases, for 1-dimensional array, only 1 for loop will come. For multi-dimensional array, multiple for loops will come. Majority cases. So int I means let us assume as rows. Int I is initialized as 0, and I is less than. We have gone with a 3 by 3 matrix. So let me take 3. That's it. I plus plus. That is the outer loop, and inside that, an opening brace I am putting. And again inside that an inner loop, inner for loop. I will explain this. Wait. Int j is equal to 0, j is less than 3, j plus plus. Okay, fine. Now, actually brace is not required. Only one statement I want to put inside the inner for loop. Inside the inner for loop, I want to keep only one statement. That is simple as sy system.out.println only. And inside that, I want to display the array. Array name is AR. AR, it runs from I to Z. Yes, I to J. Okay, fine. I want to give tab space after that. Here I want to add that. I'll explain this. Wait.
Sure.
Tab space I have given. Let me check the program, then I will explain. Not here. Here. So inside for only one statement is there. Outside one more is required. I will explain. That's it. Nothing is there inside the other system.out.println. The program is over. There is no mistake up to here. But see the output shape. See the output shape. It is not correct. See, it won't come correct. This is not the desired output. Is it not? 742.
Right.
See how it is. I will extend this. You can see. But this is not the desired output. Na? Where we are going wrong. So every time 163 should come horizontally. It's going vertically. Yes. Even the other elements are also following that. So how to restrict that? So they should go horizontal, but they are going vertical. Means I have to adjust here. I have to adjust here. See what I'm doing? In place of println, yes, print. Now let me check the output, then I will explain that. Now see the output. Got fine?
Yes.
Only one adjustment. See. Now let us examine the code. I think up to here there is no issue for you.
Yes.
Now see, I is equal to 0. True or false? Always believe that you just compare this with a college or house gate. This is the outside gate, outer gate. Okay, this is the outer gate. Outer gate or outer loop, you can call it as. Okay, outer loop.
Okay.
And this is like near house, another door will be there, na? Or college, another door, classroom, another door will be there, na? So this is that one. One more slash.
Okay.
And this is the inner gate, inner loop. A loop inside another loop. Okay, fine. Here itself you are going to learn for loops also. See, I is equal to 0. True or false? Test the condition. True. True means outer gate is open. You can get inside.
Right.
And I mean class door is also open. J is 0 is also true. True, na? J is equal to 0. That is also true. Don't forget. I value is 0. J value is also 0. I value is 0 and J value is also 0. So once you got inside, what you are doing once you got inside here, you are displaying or not? AR of I is 0, J is 0. I just now told the memory locations. So 0 by 0 position, what is there? You know, 0 by 0 position, what is there? Can you see Word document now? Can you see Word?
Yes. Yes, I can.
Yeah. See, 0 by 0, like that you have to go. So 0 by 0 location, here also 1 is there, that is displayed. After displaying that, what I'm doing, providing some tab space. You know this tab space. Some space I got in output or not? Some space is there or not? To get that space, I used this statement. Okay?
Okay.
And after that, what I have done? After that, again, you are inside the class now. Inside, for example, 3 classes are there. 3 classes you have to complete. Then only the inner class door will be closed. Is it not?
Right.
Then you can come to college on the next day, second day. Again, outer gate will get opened for the next time. Is it not? Like that, it keeps on going.
Yes.
So first period is over. 0 by 0 is done.
Okay.
Next, J will increment na? Inner.
Yes.
J will increment to 1. 1 is also true. 1 is also true. So again get inside. But I is still 0 only. Don't forget that. I is still 0. So 0 by 1. The next element will be placed. That is 6. 6 will be placed in 0 by 1 location. And again tab space. Again tab space. Because inside for loop only one statement is there. You have to believe that.
Right.
because there are no braces. If I keep any braces, then it is a different story. But there are no braces, means only one statement is there inside inner for loop. Yeah. Now 0 by 1. What is the element present in 0 by 1 location? In the memory of JVM, 6 will be displayed. Then again tab space. Now J takes one more increment because J plus plus is there. Now J becomes 2. 2 is less than 3. True or false?
True.
True. Again, we have to get inside because I told earlier, no, 3 classes are there. As long as 3 classes are running, students will be in the inner gate only. They won't go outside. Yeah. So 3 times iterated. First 3 elements displayed. Afterwards, what is happening? I takes 3. 3 is less than 3.
Yeah.
3 is less than 3 means fail. Fail,
False.
na?
Yeah.
False means?
Yes.
False means don't
It'll
execute.
go back to the first one.
Don't go to outer loop. After that, what is the step? Next step, what is that? System dot out dot println means what?
Oh, go to next line.
Next line, exactly. New line, next line. Yes. So the cursor will be here. Cursor will be here. 9, near 9. Now the closing brace is there. Means you have to go to I. I will increment this time. I takes second day. First day of college is over. Second day. Isn't it?
Right.
The outer gate again is opened on the very morning of the second day. So yeah, now I is 1. Don't forget I is 1. But J, how many classes are there? 3 times.
Correct.
Means I1, J 0, 1, 2. So 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2. Whatever the elements are there, they are all displayed. They are all displayed with some space in between them. Right? Yes. Afterwards, again same story. What is that? Going to the new line.
Next line.
Now the control transfers to this point, third row. Now I will increment third day of the college. Third day. So third means 2. I is 2. True. Again get inside. Again 3 classes. Starts from 0. 2 by 0. 2 by 1. 2 by 2. All the elements are displayed. And then again new line. But after that even I also fails.
Right.
So totally coming out of the program. That's it. Same program. I think you understood this one.
Yes, I did.
Same program through keyboard you have to accept. So what are the changes? I will talk briefly. You have to put it to a
First we have to import the package.
IO package, good. And then throws exception or
throws IO exception.
That is also okay. And that lengthy statement you have to write inside main method, BR, that one, okay. Right. And then comes in place of initialization, you have to go with the declaration. Is it not?
Right.
But before declaration, you should know number of rows and number of columns you are going with. So int R you take. Similarly, int C you take. How to give R from keyboard? Int R is equal to integer dot parse.
Integer dot parse.
Yeah, that's statement you can write. Similarly, for int C also you can write. Not an issue. Okay. Sure. And then you have to draw a for loop. Same for loop you draw. This for loop only. Okay. Yesterday also one dimension array we have drawn in such a way, but only two. But two for loops will come here. Followed with after 2 for loops, what you are going to do inside for loops? What you are going yesterday? What we have done? We accepted one dimension array marks. We accepted marks, na? Yes. But before the for loop, what you have to do? Before for loop and after R and C, you have to declare the array. Right. Yeah, that is int AR of a couple of square brackets and then is equal to new int R by R and C you have to provide inside square brackets. Sure. Then what is going to happen? For loop is getting started. First for loop, same for loops you draw. But in place of 3, you have to give R. Next to 3, right. Here inner for loop 3, you have to give C. Okay. Because it depends upon rows and columns now. Outer one is for rows, inner one is for columns. Right, like that. So then inside that what you have to write? You have to accept the elements of the matrix now. Yeah. You can write one display statement if you want. System dot out dot print enter the matrix elements. You can write like that. Sure. So after that what you have to do, What is the name of the array? I, J.
Array. Okay.
Of I and J. Yesterday's program you recollect.
Yeah,
AR
yeah,
of
yeah.
I think you have taken now. AR of I by J is equal to, you are entering integers only now. So
Yeah.
integer dot
So
parse
integer
AR
dot
dot read
parsing.
line, done. All the elements are located accordingly based on your array positions. AR of 0, AR of I by J you write now. Every time
Yeah.
I and J will be located accordingly. All the elements are properly placed in JVM's memory.
Sure. Yeah.
And then you have to display. For display again, pair of for loops you have to draw, and then inside pair of for loops, same thing. This copy and paste only. Almost all this code you have to copy and paste. So 2 for loops will be there. Okay. If you can do that, you can try one more for your homework. Today I'm giving big homework. It seems. Two matrices you have to add and find the result in matrix shape only. How do you do that? Tell me. Two matrices.
Okay.
Couple of matrices you have to accept from keyboard and add them. You know matrix addition? Matrix addition means, for example, like see, I will open Word document and I will show you one small example. You can see.
Okay.
For example, this is one matrix 6, 7, 8, 1, 0, 1, 2, 0, 2. This is one matrix. This matrix should be added with another matrix like plus. I cannot write horizontally, that's why I'm going vertically. You write go with horizontal. While writing the code, I mean, code is easy. 789 107 013. So these two matrices, if you add, the resultant matrix is going to be like this. If you write is equal to 6 plus 7, what is that? 13. 13 now?
Right.
First element 6, here 6 and here 7. And then next one 7 plus 8.
7 plus 8.
7 plus 8 is 15. You'll get 15. Next 8 plus 9. 17. 17. 17. Next 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 1, 2. Next 0 plus 0, 0. Like that. Understood? So for that, what to do? You understood how to add two matrices. So first from keyboard, you accept one matrix. You know how to accept, just now I told. Similarly, you accept another matrix from keyboard.
Sure. Okay.
Means you have to take how many matrices for this purpose? Two matrices you have to accept from keyboard, and third matrix is the resultant matrix.
Yeah.
So the formula is very simple. Resultant matrix. Inside two for loops you draw. Na? See, I am roughly doing that. So this is the architecture. See, for inside for. Okay. For first matrix. This is for first matrix. Next, you have to accept from keyboard now all the elements of first matrix.
Yeah.
Similarly, for second matrix also, another pair will come for you. Another pair for second matrix also, like this. Fine. This is for second matrix. First is A. Matrix name is A, for example. Okay. This matrix name is A. A. Two-dimensional, na? Yeah. Yes. Second matrix name is B.
Okay.
Fine. I'm giving names also. Okay. B. Now, what is the third thing which you are going to do? You know, this is the main thing, important thing. See, for inside, you are drawing yet another for. Don't see my notes. I think in my notes I might have solved that. I did not remember. Way back I have done those programs. I did not know whether I have solved or not. So for inside for. Now inside this, what is the logic? You know, you declare another matrix before this. That is how to declare int c like this is equal to new int. Yeah. First one is r. Second one is column C. Like this. So here, what you are going to do, you know, just write the formula like this. C of I by j is equal to, very simple formula, very simple. A of I by j plus, I think you are able to understand now, B of I by
I
J.
by J.
Done.
Yeah,
Oh,
okay.
that is the
Yes.
great formula. Just now I have done this now. This one. This adding this matrix and this matrix. You are getting so and so matrix like this. So for
Right.
that, this is the logic.
Okay.
And once you get that, it is there in the memory. It will be iterated now, repeated now, n number of times. This for
Yeah.
you. Finally, eventually, you are getting some shape now that you have to display.
Yes.
How to display that? Again, for inside that, at another for.
Okay.
In that, you know how to display. Just now, I have done one program to display. Same code you have to write for C matrix. For C.
Sure.
C of I by J.
Okay.
You may be feeling difficult for this one. Maybe, I don't know. If you start,
Okay, I'll try and
that's it.
yeah.
So you try that. Otherwise, if you are having any problems, you check that notes also. I did not remember. If it is not there, then final choice is going to be mine only. Tomorrow I will do that.
Sure.
If you are unable,
Yeah.
okay, fine. Next application is command line arguments. We will go with, and one more important point I forgot telling here. That is, see here. I'm closing this. Yesterday I told that, I think, with you. I told or I did not tell.
And what is it?
If I close, this is the one I explained for C student. One more class is
I
there.
don't see the
Screen.
document.
Wait. No, wait. What document can you see now?
No, not yet.
Not really. Previously, you have seen that. Previously.
Yeah, I was seeing the Word document.
Yeah. Let me share screen and I will.
Yeah, now it says starting screen. Now I can see desktop.
Yes.
Yes, I can
Previously,
see.
whatever I explained, you have seen that for inside for these things.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, I did.
Okay, fine. So I'm talking about this thing. In C language, also same story. The thing is that I am hiding this R1 row and R2 row. Which row you can see if I am hiding those two?
R0.
R0 row you can see. Means is it like a one-dimensional array or not? Tell me. Does it look like 1D or not?
Yeah.
So it is nothing but a 1D. Okay, fine.
Okay.
Right here. Please believe that it is 1D.
Sure.
So this is a 1D. Okay, fine. Here it is a 1D. Okay, fine. Now what about if I close R0 and R2? If I close R0 and R2, how many you can see? How many rows you can see?
1. So it's still 1D.
R1. It is also 1D or not?
Yes.
In your notes also I made that point. You can understand.
Okay.
This is at another 1D. It is also 1D. Okay, fine. If I close 1 and 2, row 0 and row 1, if I close, you can see only
R2. And that
is also a 1D. So can I write one definition like this? A double dimensional array is a combination of several one-dimensional arrays.
Yes, we can.
I made that statement in your notes also. Please go through that.
Okay.
So
sure.
A double dimensional array, because double dimension, this is rows and columns. Row is one, column is the other one. Means it's a double dimensional array. So in a double dimensional array is a combination of several 1D arrays.
Okay.
Similarly, a triple dimensional array is a combination of several 2D arrays.
Okay.
And similarly, a 4D array is a combination of several 3D arrays.
3D arrays.
That's it.
Okay.
Those points I mentioned in the notes, still I remember.
Sure.
Okay, please check those points. Then I will go with a new concept called as command line arguments. I will share that. Wait. Now you can see Eclipse.
Yes.
I will go with the command line arguments. Let me write one small program. Okay, no problem. I'll go with another one. Wait, new class name is command line arguments. Command LE I have given. Command line arguments. Some name I have given like that. Okay, fine. Now see. Yes. Now int n is equal to args dot length. I will explain this. Wait.
Okay.
First, let me explain the. Let me write the program. Once you get the output, then I will explain this.
Sure.
My system dot SYSO here. Number of arguments passed to command line equal to command line is equal to. I want to concatenate this with okay. Now I want to draw a for loop. C in for loop. And I is equal to 0. I is less than n. I plus. After that, let us come out. System dot print ln. Inside that, I want to write the arguments are the concatenation. Now I will write what is that? gs of I. Let me check the application, then I will explain it. Yes, done. Any error? No error. Number of arguments passed through command line 0. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Now see what I am doing. I will explain the program. Don't get hurried.
Sure.
See here in run, this is a menu bar. You know, in menu bar run is there. Inside run configurations. Can you see? Run configurations. You click on that. You'll get like this. Arguments. Can you see arguments? One tab is there by name arguments. You click on that tab. Program arguments. Can you see here?
Yes.
As part of that, I am typing 3 boys' names: Ramu, space Raju, space Ajay. These are the 3 names which I am passing. Okay.
Okay.
Now I am saying run. See. Number of arguments passed through command line is equal to 3. The arguments are Ramu, Raju, Ajay.
Right.
Okay, fine. Not only this, see this time, again run configuration, arguments. Without instead of strings, I just want to go with the numbers. 1 space 9 space 5.
Okay.
Space 5. Now let me run this again. See, number of arguments passed through command line is equal to 3, and they are 1, 9, and 5 respectively. So how it is working? Let us go for the working of this. So length is a property here. Length is there now. This length. It is a property. Properties are represented by variables in Java. You know that. So length is a variable. So what is the meaning of that length? It is a static variable because this args is the array name. Normally you write after args square brackets we write now. Of course here you have written brackets. This is another way of representation, but the best one is args. After args also you can write square brackets. In the beginning I told. So args is the array name. Can you believe that? Args is the array name. So
yes.
So it is going to take the arguments from keyboard. Okay.
Okay.
It is going to take. Just now I typed either names or numbers. Whatever I have done from my keyboard only. During execution, that too during execution I typed, isn't it? So
yes.
It is going to calculate number of arguments. This length variable is going to calculate number of arguments which you are passing through command line. Okay.
Right.
And whatever arguments I am passing, the number is stored. It is going to return integer value. That's why I have taken int on the left hand side. You can see It is going to return integer value. That's why I have taken n there. Can you see?
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Afterwards, what I have done. So in the first case, I have not gone with any arguments. Simply what I have done. See what I am doing. I am executing again. Okay, already arguments are there. Na? I have to close that. Wait. See what I am doing. Arguments. I am totally deleting all these arguments and saying run. So what is the output?
0.
Number of arguments passed through, see the immediate statement. Number of arguments passed through command line is equal to n is taking 0 because length is going to refer number. The number is going to be
number
0.
Of arguments.
That's why inside n 0 is there. Fine. Now inside, will the for loop executed now? N is 0.
No.
I is 0. 0 is less than 0. Fail.
It's
So
false,
it executes.
Yeah.
That's why only one and only one statement is executed. Otherwise, if I pass through command line like this by giving some arguments, any value, any number you can take. So how many arguments are there?
4.
4 arguments are there. I am saying run. See, you got all the arguments and the number is 4.
Right.
Number is 4. Up to here it is okay. Now let us examine the for loop. I is equal to 0. True or false? N is 4 now.
True.
N is 4. True. You got inside. The arguments are ARGS of 0 position. I is 0 now, current value.
Yes.
So whatever is there in the 0 position, that is Ajay. Ajay is displayed. Next time I takes 1. I think you understood remaining.
Yes.
Yes, that's how it works. These are known as command line arguments. Yes.
Okay, so ARGS means arguments.
Not only ARGS, you can write any name. I can write word also there. What is there? It is up to you. See, array. Okay. I told you array name. Array name is up to you. In one program, I have written AR.
Because when we type,
generally,
when we type CSVM, it comes. It shows ARGS.
Yeah,
so
by default. It is a universal name, like you can understand.
Yeah.
You can easily understand. I can write word. See, if you write word there, I have to change here also word. Is it not?
Yes.
And here also I have to change, obviously. The name of the array I have taken is word. So I have to take word. Word, W-O-R-D, word I have taken. So yeah, now see, it is commented, it is highlighted, you can see. These 3 are same to same. These 3 are same. Now if I execute, same output, of course, arguments are given now. Same arguments, no change. Because I have not disturbed the previous arguments. Isn't it? From here, if I remove 1, see, I removed 1. You can check.
Show 3.
That's it. It's working fine. So it is up to you whether you give word or ARGS or ARG or single X also you can give or Y also you can give. No problem. That is array name. Array name can be anything, na. Array is an alternative solution for variable. I told, na.
Yes.
Instead of giving multiple variables, you can go with an array.
An array, yes.
Just like a variable name can be anything, array name can be also anything. That's it. Fine. So that is how it works. So these are the things present in arrays. Now I will go with a couple of homework applications I have given. Now I will go with a new concept by name strings. Okay. Let me open Word.
What is this command line used for?
Command line means through keyboard, if you are passing, see, for example, if a clerk is there, who is executing some applications, and if customers are coming in queue, today what is the booking status? If it is a film, or if it is a show or whatever it is, a circus or whatever it is, today what is the status? By executing this program, they can understand now how many guys entered.
Right.
Yeah. Because based on the application, this is after all a small application. In real time, if somebody asked you to design such an application, then you can take this into consideration. You can access from keyboard. So whatever entered, Of course, if you know database, then if you are dealing with JDBC, if you get connected, then data will be stored. Whoever visited
Right.
circus or show, whatever it is, their names were stored in database. You can retrieve
Yeah.
them, you can pull them out, and again you can display. You can get the display like that, and you can get a record. You can get a record who really has taken ticket and viewed the show, their names, their
Yes.
data, whatnot, everything is distributed now.
Yeah.
Yeah, in that sense you can think.
Sure.
Next, I just want to go with strings now. Strings. So what is a string? What is a string? What is a string? String is a group of characters. String is a group of or a collection of
Characters.
characters. String is a collection of characters. And there are so many predefined classes in string class. Okay, there are so many out there. And I think on one day I have opened API for you. For so many people I am opening. I did not remember for you whether I opened on one day or not. I did not know.
Okay.
I think I opened some API for you on one day for which I did not remember. In Chrome, in search engine, I typed
Yes, yes.
API, Java API.
Right.
For string or what? String only.
Yes, for string only.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So many classes are there now in string.
Yes.
And
Yes.
all of those string classes belong to the class lang, L-A-N-G.
Okay.
And is it required to import lang package? No.
Yes, you just shown me how.
Shown, not required now.
Yeah.
There is only one package in Java
Yes.
which not import. By default, it is
Yeah.
imported. That is lang package.
Lang.
How to import
Okay.
lang package? And so many classes
Default.
are there now. I am telling you, so many classes are there inside string. Inside string, so many classes are there, and all of them belong to which class?
Lang.
Lang package. Sorry, which package? Lang package. Lang.
Okay.
And by default, it is imported. By default.
Okay.
Already I discussed about these things, na?
Yes.
So string collection of characters, okay, fine. And so many classes are there in string class, and all those classes are present in lang package, because package consists of classes and interfaces, not only classes. So some interfaces will be there, classes will be there, and all of them belong to which package? Lang package.
Lang package.
And by default, lang package is
Imported.
imported. So you need not import this again. If you want to import, you can import. Otherwise, also no problem. Okay, fine.
Okay.
So one issue solved. So you need not import that package also. You can straight away utilize those classes. So first among those classes is string class itself. How to initialize a string? See how I am initializing. String str is equal to, see how I'm doing that, BAT packed. Okay. And this way of initialization is known as string literal. Initializing a string with string literal. This bat is there na, in double quotes. It's called as string literal. String literal. String literal. That is one way of initialization. Yet another way is there, that is string str is equal to, string is a class na, predefined class. We create object for that? Yes, we can create string, and as an argument you can pass to string. As an argument you can pass like this. This is also correct. This is another way. So what is the difference here from the previous one? Here string object is created. String object is created or not? String object is created, and string is passed as an argument to that. You can pass like that. Okay. During construct concept, I will explain how it comes inside. Some internal issues are there still. Interview question is also there. During constructors concept, I will discuss about that.
Okay.
But whatever it is, this is another way. I have done a simple thing, that is creating an object to string class, but I passed one argument like this. You know how to pass arguments from
Yes.
main method when you are invoking, I said na. But like object dot some method name you are calling, inside some arguments you are passing na.
Yes.
In a similar way, I have gone here also, but little difference is there. So don't
Sure.
worry. This is one way of doing things. And then otherwise, old style, old C and C++ style, that is char, str, one dimension array. Like that also you can go with a string like this, see.
Okay.
Single character, comma, second character, comma, third character. Okay.
Okay.
And the last will be null character will be there. Every string ends with a null character, not mandatory, but if you want, you can show that like this. Null character will be also there. /0 means null character. It represents the end of the string. It represents the end of the string. End of the string, closing of the string. Okay. But it is not mandatory. Otherwise, you can also write like this. I will copy this. Wait. Let's see. It is needless to mention last character. Okay. Obviously, it will end with a null character. Null character means end of a string. Okay. These are the three ways adopted to initialize a string. Okay.
String. Okay.
Understood? These are the three ways and means. Now, some methods are there. So many methods. So many predefined methods are there. Some of the methods we will discuss. Some others you can go off your own in the real time also by referring to API. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Majority we will go. Majority cases, whichever methods we are utilizing, we will go with those things. Now see, if I want to find the character present, and I will directly do applications, otherwise you can understand. Okay, that is better thing. Instead of showing here, I will do here itself. Let me go with another package, new Java project, package name strings, finish, and inside strings, first class, new class name, string demo. String demo is the class which I am taking. Can you see Eclipse?
Yes.
Yes, fine.
Yeah.
So this is the class which I am taking, and main method is also added. Now I want to initialize string in a couple of ways. Let me copy and paste those things. Let me copy and paste this. Control C. Pasted. Okay. Same, whatever I have written in Word, I pasted. Now I want to display the strings one by one. See, showing into y into 1, 2 openings, 2 closings. Anything mistake? Any mistake here? Maybe this. This I'm not sure. We will check. Yeah, that is one. This also it is showing like that. String str equals bat. Okay, fine. No problem. We'll show. Wait. That is also correct only. Wait. System. Style. Any bracket problem here?
No.
Demo, nothing. Okay, fine. So println. I want to see what is there inside st. Aha, the problem is all the names are str. How can you do? How can you do that? str2, str3, and the other one is str4. Now it should be resolved at least. I want to see what is there in str1. Yeah, semicolon. That's it. Let me check. No error. What is the error? Tokens. Unresolved compilation problems. What is that? Public class string demo, public static void main string args string str1. I will do one thing. I will comment this one. Let me check. These two may not be working on this old style. Na? These two some compilers may not accept. Let us check that. Wait. No. Still problem is there. What is
Is
that?
it because both? Oh no.
Any mistake? Wait.
I thought string we have named bat, but string can be anything. So I thought.
No. Wait.
Yeah.
I will write again. No, it is not the issue. str is equal to, see what I am doing. This is one style, na? I told.
Yes.
Again, I will write and I will do this. Again, it is showing string str is equal to bat. It should come. Okay, fine. System SYSO showing. Should come. What is there in str? I want to see na str. I will give.
Yeah.
Let's check again. It's coming fine. Working?
Yes.
Yes. Now in place of instead of doing like this is str1 I am taking. See the other one. What I am doing? String str2 I am taking is equal to new another style. I told now just now.
Yeah.
You can create an object and you can pass as an argument. That is again I am giving bat only. Let us see. str1 this is. The next one is str2. Let me check that. Copy, paste. Fine. Let me check. One error it is still showing. Semicolon I missed here. Fine. Over now.
Yeah.
Let us check. Fine. It is working fine. Fine, no? Bad. Okay?
Yes.
Yes. Now the old style I will try. I don't know where I went wrong. The previous one. Yeah, immediately showing. Yeah. str should come. str3. Otherwise, this style is old style. str3. Now directly give like this also. This is also okay actually. ABC I'm giving and putting a semicolon. It should come. What to say? Mismatch cannot convert from string to char. Wait. Size 3, size 4. Let me check once. No. 4 size we will not give in Java. By default, it will be taking some size. No, this style is not accepted. It seems this style it is not accepted. Char str3 ABC. This is perfectly correct, but why it is not accepting? Okay, I will check this later on. The third style it is not accepting. Okay. This third style it should accept. I don't know what happened. Okay, fine. Remaining two it is accepting now.
Yeah.
Remaining two it is working fine. Okay, fine. Now what I want to do is not this. I want to check whether both the strings are equal or not. Okay. See here. Simple if condition. I am going to explain if condition also. You heard about if condition?
Yes, I did.
Is it there in JavaScript?
Yes, it is.
See, if within bracket, I want to compare str1 with str2, double is equal to. Have you heard about double is equal to?
Yes.
Operators also I am explaining. It is called as comparison operator. Single is equal to is called as assignment operator. Whereas a double is equal to is known as comparison or relational operator. Relation. It is showing the relation between the strings here, isn't it?
Yes.
So single is equal to means assignment. Means where you are going to use assignment. A is equal to 4, B is equal to 5. That is what it is. For example, age of a student, age is equal to 21, like that. But what is comparison? If two students are there, one person says A says is 21, B says is 24. Okay.
Right.
Now I am comparing who is bigger in age. who is older, like that I can make a comparison.
Yeah.
Otherwise, if two students are there, one student A got 90 marks, B got 80 marks. Who got better marks? If A is greater than B. Comparison.
Right.
Comparison is different from assignment. Assignment means you are putting some value in a variable. And variable name can be anything. You are just putting some value in a variable. Variable is like a container. Container. Box is just like a box. The box name is chocolates. We are putting chocolates in that. That's it.
Yes. Okay.
So like that. So a variable is after all a container. But here I am not putting any value. Already I kept bat in str1 and again bat in str2 also.
str2.
Now I want to see whether both bats are equal or not. See the output for this. So this is the condition which you are putting inside if followed with condition in brackets. Then if true, then only the following statement will be executed. Which statement? This statement will be executed. If at all it is going to be true. So the output is going to be true. If I mean equal, if they are equal, but the output is not equal, they are unequal. Why? I will explain. Wait. Put semicolon at the end. Else means if it is not true, then else path will be executed. Else path will be executed. Let me copy this and paste it. So this is your else path. I'm giving unequal. So what is your assumption for this program? Is it true or false? Tell me.
It is true.
Majority students feel like that, but the output goes in another way. We think in one way, but the output goes in another way. Because here strings are not compared. Try to understand. Here strings are not compared. Strings are not compared by using comparison operator. Strings are not compared. Then what is compared? Their references are compared. String references are compared. Means what? What is the reference of first string? str1 and str2. Second string is str2. Their references are compared, but not strings themselves. But not strings themselves. That's why you see when I execute this, see the output. See what is the output? We expected equal. Yeah. It went in another way. That is unequal because that is the reason. Very important interview question. What is the then how do you compare two strings whether they are equal or not? There is one method. Equals. No. There is one method given by JavaSoft people. There is one method given by JavaSoft people. That is wait. I will copy and paste this, and I will present this at another way. See, there is one method given by JavaSoft people to compare two strings, and their strings are compared. If you want string comparison, na? Yes. I will write strings are compared when by using a method known as equals. str1 dot equals. It is a predefined method and a non-static method. Equals within bracket. It is a parameterized method. It is a parameterized method also. Just 1 second. I attend a call. Sure. Yeah. Okay. Hello. Okay. Yes. See here. See str1 dot equals str2. So equals is a predefined non-static method, and it is a parameterized method. What is the argument provided? The other string you are providing, and you are going to compare both the strings. See, I have made a comment also. Strings are compared, whether they are equal or unequal. Okay. Now the result. Now here the result is going to be equal. Here the result is equal. The previous one is unequal, as you know. See here. Very important interview question, this one. They will ask you like this: what is the difference between double is equal to and equals? So how to answer that? Double is equal to is a comparison operator. It is used to compare whether the references are the same or not. But if you want to compare, if we want to compare strings itself, then there is a method called as equals.
Equals.
With the help of equals method, we can compare whether both the strings are equal or not. See, for example, I am writing in capital letters. Will it accept? See, see. Now, first one, anyways, it is unequal only. Second one,
Right.
let me test the second one. Now, fail. Object is changed. Java is case sensitive.
Case sensitive.
Yeah, case sensitive.
Okay.
So, object changed, isn't it? Now, I want to see the address of those objects. Okay, you can see the addresses of those objects. How to check the addresses of the objects? There is one method. I will write. Wait. That is called as hash code. str1 dot hash. See capital letter method na second word should start with a capital letter. str1 dot hash code. I will write one message here to let you understand. Hash code of hash value, otherwise hash value of str1 hash value I am finding colon. It is concatenated with str1 of hash code. Wait, same thing I will copy and do with another string also, that is str2. Copy, paste. I will go with str2 this time. Able to follow this?
Yes.
Yes. See, hash code is a predefined method. It is a non-static method. In Java, every object will be having a unique hash code. Okay? In Java, every object will be having a unique hash value. If you want to know the hash value, this is the method to retrieve that. The method by name hash code. Code is a predefined non-static method. Using that, we can find the hash values of different objects. So what are the objects? First object is str1, second object is str2. Now the objects are different or not? Just now we got different, unequal. So objects are different means let us check their hash values, whether they are equal or different. We got different hash values or not?
Yes.
Yes. You got different hash value clearly. The hash value of first object is different from the hash value of second object.
Second.
For example, see what I am doing. And in the first one we call it as string literal. I have taken like a string. I have gone with a string literal. I didn't create any object. I have gone with a string literal in the first case, isn't it? Next one is an object is created here. Object created, string object is created, or object is created simply. Object is created and a string is assigned. Now object is created, string literal. Okay, fine. Now I want to create another object like. Wait. Let's see. I want to make it as str3 this time. str3. And it can be again bat only. Okay. Now guess your output again. If I give hash code, what it is going to be, how it is going to give you result. I will make it as str3. Different or same, we will see. Wait. Different or same, because bat is the object here. Here also bat is the object. Both are in capital letters. You can guess both are same or not. Same. See, same objects. Got it. Only one object is there, bat. There are no two bats. Only one bat is there. That is referred by. That is referred by two different references. Got it. Now it is very clear. Suspense is resolved, isn't it?
Yes.
That's it. That's it. That's how it works.
Okay.
And so many methods are there. I will add few more methods in the same program. See, is it boring or shall I carry forward?
No, you can continue. Yeah.
Just 10 more minutes. I will continue. Okay. Yes. Now I want
Okay.
to join couple of strings like string str4 is equal to string new string within bracket. So I will go with Hydra, 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 and then let me close here and let me go with yet another string that is bad. I want to join the two strings.
Okay.
There is a predefined method full of methods. Luckily, it is very easy to remember these method names also. See how easy it is. Hash code. That may be a little bit new to you, but equals is very easy to remember. Equals.
Yes.
Double
Yeah.
is equal to, single is equal to, you know the difference between the two. Now, if you want to join these two strings, string concatenation operator is required. String concatenation.
Okay.
Otherwise, there are two options. One is you can join using a concatenation that you know, Hydra plus bad is equal to Hydra bad.
Yeah.
Otherwise, instead of using concatenation operator, there is a method available in Java, a non-static method. I want to join, what is the string? String name is 4 na? String 4 dot, string 4 dot, string 4
String
dot,
4 only itself.
yeah, string 4 dot concat. Oh, okay, here it is string 5 na, here it should be string 5.
Yeah.
Okay, string 4 dot concat. Concat is a predefined method that is going to join string 4 with string 5. That's it. Okay, now let us see the output for this. Oh, mistake. What is a mistake?
The final one, str4, it says.
String, new string, str4. Oh, this is
No,
again
before
str.
that, before new.
It should be, wait, system.out.print. I have to type now. What I have typed? Some call is ringing and I lost my patience. Yeah. So yes, system dot that's it. Now it will come. Wait. System.out.println a opening bracket and at the end one closing. That is done already. Now still mistake. Wait, system.out.println one more opening is unnecessary. Now it is okay. It is correct now. Yeah. System.out.println. I am going to concat str4 with str5. What is there in str4? Hydra is there. Hydra is joined with bad. That's it.
Yes.
Now let us see the output here. Got it? Wait,
Yeah.
I will open this. You can see here Hyderabad. Is there? First one. Output. Got? Hello?
Yes.
Got now? Can you
Hello?
see?
Yeah.
Can you see? Yeah, Hyderabad.
Yes, yes.
And remaining same outputs. Yeah. Undisturbed, remaining undisturbed. First one is Hyderabad, you can see. Yes. So they are joined. Otherwise, I told na Hydra plus bad. That is also okay. Okay.
Yeah.
See one more thing. That is, I will go with yet another string like string 6. This is string 6, and I want to give a string like this. I am doing Java. I am doing Java. I want to check whether I have started with, I mean the sentence is started with I am or not. Okay, there is a method in Java. I will display. Wait. X is equal to, wait, why I have taken int, I will explain. Wait. Int x is equal to what is the string name? str6 dot starts with is the method. Starts with what? I am. Did I start with I am or not? I want to check that. If true, it should return starts with is a predefined non-static method, just like any other non-static method. So many non-static methods are there. So what it does is it is going to return some value, either true or false.
Boolean.
Okay, Boolean type of data it is. So it is going to return either a Boolean value true or false.
False.
Means let us check what exactly it is going to return. If where we stored that result, you know, this starts with is
Yes.
going to I will write a comment here, you can understand. Starts with method returns, it is having a returning nature, returns Boolean value, means either true or false. That's it.
Yeah.
True or false. Now see, you understood the meaning of this statement. So you know the line also. I am doing Java. I am. Is it starting with I am or not? See how easy the method name is to remember. Starts with.
Yeah.
So is it started with I am or not?
Yes, it is.
So true value it should return to what? X. But integer X is integer, na?
Yeah.
So I have to make it as
String.
Boolean.
Boolean. Okay.
Yeah. I think I do not remember bool. Wait. I will check if it is not. Wait. When writing also it will show. And I use this very rare. It is not showing. Wait. Boolean. Let us check. It is working. Okay, fine. If X means if true. If X means if true. Okay. If true, it should give.
Okay.
System dot. Wait. It should give the given string or str6. Simply str6 starts with I am. Is it not?
Yeah.
Else it doesn't start with I am. Else again same statement. It doesn't start with I am. Control C. Control V. Doesn't start with. Doesn't start with I am. But it's showing mistakes. What are those mistakes? Valid character constant, where I went wrong. This starts with double time I have given this. Okay. Any other mistakes? Here also same copy paste. Yeah. Resolve one, and still one more is there. Resolve. All the problems resolved. So it is accepting Boolean. Boolean is the type of data. Let me run this first. Yes. I will extend this. You can see the output. It is, yeah. Starts with str6 starts with
I am.
True na? See how it runs. So it is eventually going to result either true or false. Huh?
Right.
X is picking true or false in this case from starts with.
Yes.
It is picking truth value na?
Yeah.
So if X means if true, X means true na? If true, it gets inside. If false, it takes the, see, for instance, I'm just removing this single quote and writing I am. That is also correct for writing I am, but I have not given like that earlier. So not here. Wait. Here. I'm checking I am. But is I am there in that? It is not in that,
but different.
But in a different way I have given. Okay, you understand. Yeah. Now it should obviously return false. Forget about English and those things, but technically it is wrong. Is it not?
Yeah.
In terms of English, it is correct. In terms of English, it is 100% correct.
Right.
Whether we go with single quote or I am, both are fine. Shortcut is there, but in technicalities it is wrong, because I am we have given there is I single quote m, so it should, the starts with method is going to return false na? So X should store false. If false, don't get inside, take else path. What is there in else path?
Right.
Yes, see the output.
STR6 doesn't start with
Now you can see the output. STR6 does not start with I am. Right now?
Yeah.
Yes. Otherwise,
Yes.
otherwise, another alternative is there. If you don't like this X, you can write if true, if true. Now also it will come. See.
Okay.
See. True or false? False. Okay. If true, wait. Starts with I am. It is showing. If I write true there. No, not like that. If X is equal to true means you are forcing that. You are forcing that. Huh? So if X is equal to true, is it not? Double is equal to comparison.
Okay.
Comparison operator. See how many tricks are there in the same code. How you'll get correct.
Yeah.
I got shocked. Why it is showing like that? See here now. Does not start with I am. Got it?
Yes.
Compared. Comparison operator. Compared. X is compared. What is X? False.
Right.
False now. False is equal to true. Fail. So go to else path. That's it. So this is also correct. I will write here. Another alternative is if what? X. If X simply. If true or false, whatever it may be. That's it. This is also another way. So I told starts with, you please scribble. Similarly, you can feel another one. Ends with. You try ends with. Similar program. Okay.
Sure.
Take that one and two other arrays applications I have given. You please do this work. With this, can I close the session for the day?
Sure. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Fine, thank you.